very wintry day, and I wanted to just show you guys. You can see that gray wall coming. I'm racing against it. That is, we have high gusts of wind, and that is bringing a snowstorm blizzard to me, and I need to get these horses their hay before that hits me. Oh my goodness. Whew. We also need to anchor down this plastic. Well, we have it tarped, and it looks like the wind has been blowing the tarp. Let's tie this back down. It's coming. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Peeking out there. Are you ready for your hay, huh? You ready for breakfast? We got that storm coming, don't we? Okay. Hi, Mercedes. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Hi, Sadie. You're all right. Hi, girl. You got your breakfast? Yeah. Good morning. Get your hay. Good girl. Good girl. Now, Blue, how you doing here? You got your hay? Oh, good. So nice in these sheds, isn't it? She's got her blanket on because she's older. She needs a little more protection. Sadie, she's all furred up and younger. She does okay without a blanket. Hi, you're doing good. Sometimes I feed her out of her shed, but today in all this cold and nasty, she gets a shed, fed in the shed. And then we've got water and a tank heater. And the tank heaters just keep the ice from forming on the tanks themselves. All right, we beat the storm, kids. There it is out there. You see that wall coming at us. It's going to be here in a couple minutes. But we beat it, yay! It's coming down, but not as loud and wild as it looked like it was going to. Guess give it time. Okay, it's time to get in. It's getting windy.